Hello everyone, welcome back to MSJ in the Garden. Today we are sowing seeds to get seedlings started in the greenhouse. It is a beautiful day in mid-March, so it's the perfect time to begin. These Jiffy Seed starter kits came from Walmart and are easy to unpackage and put together. Each kit comes with some unlabeled stakes so you can identify your seedlings, along with small packets of plants food to jumpstart the growing process. After filling the biodegradable trays with soil, it's time to begin. In the top tray, I am planting sweet pepper seeds. I like to dig shallow depression in the soil to easily drop seeds inside. These seedlings start to sprout in about 7 to 10 days, and by mid-April they should be healthy and strong. The goal is to have these ready to transplant outside by early to mid-summer. This first tray is all peppers, both the short and long kind. Both are sweet and taste delicious. The bottom tray has tomatoes and cabbages. The cabbages will stay in the greenhouse throughout the season to prevent cabbage butterflies from getting to them and leaving pesky caterpillars behind. A crucial step in these starter seed packets is the initial hydration. After filling up a watering can, it's time to add the Super Thrive seedling plant vitamins. Remember to mix everything really well. The end of this old paint stirs works great. The greenhouse is fairly warm during the day, but to protect against chill at night, I'll be covering these starter trays with the provided plastic covers, creating a miniature terrarium. Using this method to start seedlings is brilliant because a terrarium ecosystem is mostly self-sustaining. So once the lid is in place, the seedlings will have all the heat and moisture they need until they outgrow their containers. Using the empty seed packets to label each section that has been sowed, it's now time to move the seedlings into the greenhouse. After just over a week, the cabbage seedling all popped up. It was cool, cloudy, and rainy for most of the time, so it took a little longer for the tomatoes to sprout. But by the end of week 3, heading into week 4, they were growing strong and healthy as well. The peppers began to sprout about a week after sowing. To encourage growth, we switched them to a higher shelf that was more exposed to sunlight, and that, in combination with a few beautiful warm and sunny days, really coaxed them out of the ground. Right now, they are quite tiny but healthy and strong. I'm delighted. All the seedlings are doing so well, and in a short while, they'll be ready to be placed in the garden where they'll grow some yummy produce. There is something so special about growing one's own vegetables. I hope you all enjoy watching your seedlings grow. Cabbages, peppers, and tomatoes are the focus of this video, but lettuce, collard greens, radishes, peas, potatoes, and onions are all easy and tasty vegetables to include in your own vegetable garden. Thanks so much for watching. My greenhouse is my happy place.